first video we're going to talk about, we're going to show you how to navigate a screen test. If somebody's complaining about picture quality or has picture related issues, on the remote control, we're going to press the settings key, and we're going to go down to all settings, and then the picture menu is your picture test. Once you access the picture test, this picture should be clear and sharp. You should see no distortion in the picture. If the picture above looks acceptable and it looks correct, then you press yes. In some of the newer TVs, you're going to have a second screen that pops up showing the customer the definition between full high definition and ultra high definition. Ultra high definition is going to be full 4K. Full high definition would be up to 1080 progressive. And naturally on a 4K panel, this is going to look much clearer than this, depending on your source input. If it passes that picture test, it's good. Okay. If we go back into the picture test again, if we press no that the picture is not of good quality or has a defect, this information is going to be critical for you to remember when you contact customer service. We will need the model number, what software revision, and the serial number of your product when you call our customer service line.